2009 Chevy Silverado 1500, 5.3 liter V8. Still got the stock converters there, and a third one there that you guys all hate. But what can we do? It's the law. We got to keep it on there. Then we did a FLOWMASTER 40 series, 3-inch to 2.5. Then 2.25 tailpipes, mandrel bent all the way back, right there and right there. Then 3.5-inch rolled edge tips right there and right there. You always want to cup the hangers like that, any muffler shop you go to, or they'll break. That's why we never have any breakage and people get upset. There it is. Look at those beautiful welds. Everything's good. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Chevys never disappoint with the FLOWMASTER 40 series. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Nice.
I know it's been a while. I know you're thinking the same, but I've been feeling like a moment can't go to waste. I let go of your name, girl. I figured that was it.